Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and track water on the ladder application. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official ladder application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone, open up the App Store, search for ladder, find the application and install it. So after installing it and opening it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by. So basically, first things first, we can go ahead and open up the team section right here at the bottom right corner to go and select what team we want to be a part of. So you can go and filter out the teams to find which one suits you the best and then join it. From here you can get started going to the workout page, and now we can get started following the team's workouts. So let's go and take a look at how to track water alongside our workout. So we are going to go right here into the bottom right corner by clicking on the nutrition tab. Once you open up the nutrition tab, as you can see, we can get started setting up our tracking. So this is going to be included with your membership. Ladder cannot be used for free, so you need to have a premium subscription to be able to use the nutrition tab right here. But as you can see, once you get your premium subscription, you're going to go and be able to log right here your water, your steps, and your macros, whatever you want. Water is going to be one of the options you're going to have for logging how many cups you have drank that day and so on. So this is all going to be doable in the nutrition tab once you've gotten your premium membership. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.